Through meditation, it is possible to attain those attributes which we call as God or Brahma Tattva. पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य. बुक टाइटल तप और योग के मार्मिक पक्ष, द poignant side of penance and yoga. Do the boons and blessings come for free? Blessings is not for free, and like everything else in the world, one needs to pay the price. Without paying the price, there is no blessing, no boon, no accomplishment, no miracle, no wishes fulfilled. What is the price? When one decides to dedicate oneself, be focused, eliminating distractions, then one starts treading on the path to yoga. The second part of yoga is meditation. The purpose of this is that there should be some object of contemplation, perhaps something we might call as God. What should be the goal of one's life? East means goal and East means God. This presiding deity should be meditated upon. That is, the deity whatever one has decided to follow and imbibe virtues of. Example, Lord Ram for dignity, Lord Krishna for perfection, Lord Hanuman for devotion. If you want to collect all the attributes, then you may consider deity Savita, or for that matter, any other deity basis the religion one follows or culture one is in. All these deities are nothing but noble virtues. What should our deity be like? We consider God as one. Your presiding deity should be apropos to that level where you want to reach in your life, and therefore help molds your overall personality accordingly. Your attention should be concentrated on the self. This is the position of yoga. What are the types of meditation and what binds them together to create the ultimate weapon? There are 5 types of meditation, such as fire element, medium of which is eyes, meditation through sound, that is Nad Yoga, yoga through nostrils, such as pranayam, yoga through the tongue, that is meditation of tongue through chanting, and the other part is through tasting, Khechri Mudra. But all of this, along with the concentration of the mind, results into such a great weapon for self-refinement that there is no other weapon required after that. What will the readers find in this book? Glad to present a small book on the topic that explains the importance of concentration and meditation in life. Types of meditation, so-called miracles that can be attributed to concentration, ways and means to control the mind, realization through yoga, etc. Few excerpts from the book. Nad Yoga is a process of listening to words. The sound of Omkar is the best medium for this. While keeping the mind in harmony, the seeker reaches where we want to take our mind. In this, the Samadhi state of being with God can also be attained. Sanskar is called that which is formed by the combination of both thought and action. Therefore, we should try to take our yoga practice, that is, mental level and our thinking higher. In short, this is the definition of yoga. Concentration is power. When this power is used in the external life, it works like a telescope. But when it enters the inner life, it opens up the secrets existing in all the subtle worlds, including the gods and goddesses. Everything is possible through yoga. With this, we can control our body, control our heart rate, and breathe. Important topics covered in the book are the poignant side of tap and yoga, Isht, symbol of our goal, different types of meditation for concentration, ways to control the mind, detachment and its practice, miracle of concentration, entering the micro, Siddhi, realization by yoga, meditation, yoga.